How to find out host to VCF Exporter and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare host to VCF Exporter in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Now, click on the Browse button to select the installation location and then Continue. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch OST to VCF Exporter and click on the Finish button. How to export host to VCF file with this software. First, you need to install host to VCF Exporter on your computer and open it. Then, click on the Browse button, select Host File. There is a preview of your host file and click on the Export button. There are many formats for export. Click VCF file format. Click on the Browse button to select your output file location. Finally, click on the Convert Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the OST to VCF Exporter software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the export host to VCF file.